Today we're gonna start making Christmas ornaments. I know it's only the end of September, but the holidays are gonna be here before you know it. So let's go ahead and get started. You gotta watch this. Today we're gonna start with a craft for Christmas. I did this a year or so ago for my own granddaughters, and I'm going to show you the pictures of the ornaments that I made for them. We're going to start with ornaments that are from Michael's, I believe. They are plastic and it's normally $20. Of course, I never pay full price for that stuff. But what we're going to do is glitter or paint the insides of these. The first thing we're going to do after we've removed our little tops here is we're going to wash these out really well. Even though they're covered up, there's dust and lint and things like that in there. So I'm just going to do a nice quick shake. I think maybe I will put in a tiny bit of dish soap. I'm just going to put this on my fingers. Get a little bit in there. Shake pretty good. I'm going to put that in here and we'll rinse this out. I'm going to do the same to this one. This is a great project to do with the kids. A brownie truth, a little class project for an art project maybe. Okay, the next thing we're going to use is Mop and Glow. So we're going to put a generous amount in here and I'm going to cover the interior. Make sure you got the whole thing. Now, I just grabbed out a little container here and I'm going to stand this up in here until most of it has drained out. We don't want it dry, but we want to make sure that we can drain this out. So let's let these sit for just a minute until there's nothing more dripping out. In the meantime, I've gotten out my glitters and I've gotten out some paint. Now, this is accent paint. This is what's called Crown Jewel, and I believe I got this like at Walmart. These are really cool. These are by Folk Art, Dragonfly Glaze. Both of these are at Walmart. So we're gonna try one of those, and then I also have glitters. And I am going to put in my gold glitter. Pour in a generous amount of glitter and just start shaking it. Turn it upside down, make sure you get all the little nooks and crannies inside. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and pour the excess out. Now, after you're done coating the inside of your ornament, a great way to recapture your glitter is by using a coffee filter. I use this all the time when I am recapturing my glitters from doing tumblers. And it works great. And there we go, no mess. All right, what I'm gonna do is get a little container here and I am going to let that set. If you see that you missed a spot, just go ahead and pour in your glitter again. Okay, we're gonna let this one dry as well. Now, get my glitters out of the way here. And we are going to put paint in. Okay, see what I mean where
they basically have quit dripping. We want them to be wet yet, but we don't want them to be dripping. So I'm gonna try the dragonfly glaze and see what that looks like. And I'm going to see if this will fit in it or on it. And I'm going to stand that up so my paint will drip right back in. See that there? I'm just standing my paint container up and dripping that back in. Now, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna take my lid off and I'm going to prop it up. Okay. Now, we're gonna let this stuff dry and then I will show you the next step. I found these at Walmart. They come in a container and they're different sizes. And what you do is unscrew the lid. And just pour that right in there. And now I have my glitter in a little container. These I found at Michael's and they look just like the containers that they sell their Recollections glitters in, and they come empty. Now, the set comes in a little case of these, and I can't remember. They're very inexpensive. I'll say it was probably less than $10, and I think that there's maybe 15 of these in there, 15 containers. And these were a package of 6 for like $6. And I found these over by Glitter, I believe, but sometimes they're over by the craft storage. So I think these work very well too because they do have a shaker top, or that does have that bulk lid where it's easier to pour that back in. All right, I found some really cute wording. Get back here to the canvas. With some little berries and some evergreen. So we're gonna go ahead and make those for each one of the different ornaments. First thing we're gonna do is cut the berries. Let's go weed this. Now I'm going to go ahead and weed this vinyl out, and then we'll figure out what pieces all go together. What I'm gonna do is put the words together. Okay, like that. Okay, now I'm going to put my berries on. And sometimes they just don't line up as well as they should from the Cricut. So let's peel these off. There we go.
All right, so there it is, it's ready to go. Make sure that the outside is clean on it. And we are going to line it up. Now, because this is a curved surface, we have to be very careful laying this down, because it's going to want to crinkle. And so what I'm gonna do is take right in here and cut it a little so that J will lay down nicely. Everything looks really nice. Very pretty. I like that. Cute. And there's Bright. They turned out absolutely adorable. And I broke the one that said Jolly. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope this has inspired you to start getting yourself ready for Christmas. Zip tie it, pull your loop up.